Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. In this video, I'll share burner size versus cookware size, heat distribution versus burner size, how burner power levels vary, and cooking with low to medium heat. A common negative review concerns the largest induction burner being smaller than their largest cookware. These reviews are based on maximum cookware diameters. Most consumer cookware ranges from 4 to 14 inches in diameter. Large induction burners are typically 10 to 11 inches. Some radiant electric burners have 12-inch diameters. The difference is more significant cooking with gas. Gas flame diameters are smaller and cover a much smaller area. That's one reason cooking with gas is less efficient than radiant electric and induction. Even pro-style gas burners cover a smaller area than electric burners. Electric burners are more energy efficient than gas burners because they heat a larger surface area. For most pots, pans, and skillets, the surface contacting the burner is smaller than its maximum diameter. My largest cookware is 12 inches in diameter across the top. The area contacting the burner is only 10.5 inches. Induction burner diameters range from 6 to 11 inches. For fastest heating, I can use this skillet on either a 9 or 11-inch induction burner. Although not as fast, I can also cook using the 6-inch burner. The surface area of a 6-inch induction burner is larger than most large gas flames. Larger burners will heat pans and foods faster. Although it takes a few extra minutes, I've used my 8-inch pressure cooker with a 6-inch burner, and my 11-inch griddle with a 6-inch burner. Two takeaways from this section are that to rapidly heat pans and boil water, match your cookware's bottom diameter to your burner diameter. Although less efficient, you can use your smallest burner with large diameter cookware. Regardless of the heat source, reducing hot spots depends on cookware material thickness and thermal conductivity. Common cookware materials include aluminum, copper, cast iron, carbon steel, and stainless steel. Aluminum and copper distribute heat more evenly, reducing hot spots. Thicker cookware also helps reduce hot spots. Aluminum cookware distributes heat more evenly than iron and steel. On the negative side, aluminum cookware does not retain heat like iron and steel. To improve heat distribution, higher quality stainless steel cookware have an aluminum or copper core bottom, or are made with an aluminum or copper layer sandwiched between stainless steel layers. Both improve heat distribution, but are less efficient than solid aluminum. Gas burners are rated in BTUs, electric burners in watts. BTUs and watts only measure energy used, not burner efficiency. A 12,000 BTU burner can be more efficient than a 17,000 BTU burner. While recipes use terms like low, medium, and high heat, medium for a 6,000 BTU burner is not the same as a 20,000 BTU burner. Maximum for a 1400 watt induction burner may not equal maximum for a 1400 watt radiant electric burner. Induction is about 20% more efficient than radiant electric. It takes practice finding the right settings for cooking with gas, induction, and radiant electric. High heat is used to heat pans quickly, boil water, and sear foods. Stir-frying also requires high heat. Most recipes require low to medium heat. High-tech cookware ads promise no more burnt foods and ruined pans. Burnt foods and ruined pans are usually due to inattention by the cook, not the cookware. Inattentive cooking is the leading cause of home fires in the U.S. Most cookware manufacturers recommend cooking with low to medium or moderate heat. Use high heat to boil water, bring soups, sauces, and stews to a boil, sear and brown meat, fish, and poultry, and stir-frying. Use low to medium heat for simmering, frying foods, deep fat frying, cooking pasta, rice, and whole grains. And never leave your foods unattended when cooking with high heat, especially fried foods. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching.